The Leader of Opposition in Parliament, Joel Ssenyonyi, has confirmed the release of National Unity Platform members who had been arrested by the police. He alleged that the police operation at the NUP headquarters in Kavule was unlawful and led to the destruction of property.
Follow the law in doing that, because now you break and damage property, we have got to replace that, money is taken, computers and so on. Why don't we follow the law? It would be different if you had come with a warrant and said, open, we want to search, and we refuse. There you can do whatever you want to do, but you didn't do that. I saw police actually justifying it, saying they went to pick some exhibits. I said, but now, which court of law are you going to use those exhibits in? Because no one was there to corroborate.
The Prime Minister Robinah Nabbanja objected to the Leader of Opposition statement, arguing that it was baseless. The Speaker of Parliament was unaware of the incident.
When we come here, you were dragged, Right Honourable Speaker, into unfounded allegations. Unfounded allegations. And I believe the reason is to make government look dirty. This government has protected Ugandans, and that's why everybody is proud, including investors. Is it in order for the LOP all the time to come here to dirty government? Yes, that is the intention. In my presence as a leader of government, without evidence. Are you in order?
I encourage us to be here by 2. By 2 you were in your chair, the Prime Minister came very late. If you respect the issues of Parliament, please come early,
no, she
like the rest
come
of
late.
us.
She didn't come late.
Honourable Speaker, she was not here at 2. That's the truth.
Come late.
But let me wrap up with this issue,
late.
Right Honourable Speaker.
Honourable members.
Right Honourable Speaker.
Order.
Lope, you sit. Lope, you sit.
Ssenyonyi also submitted names of some political prisoners whose files had not yet been transferred from the court-martial to civilian courts, urging the Attorney General to take note.
Sechitoleko Yasin Machete, who is on hunger strike, Kavuma Musa, Gibsiwa Abdallah, Kalanzi Sharif, Muonge Joseph, Jimmy Galukande, Kato Umar, Abdallah Chintu, Mwase Patrick, Agaba Anthony, Angulibo Siraj, Andama Hafsa, Ida Kasim, and finally, Buga Ratib. These people were remanded by the court-martial, which no longer has authority over them. When are their files going to be transferred to the civilian courts like everybody else? Because their being on remand under the court-martial has got no place in the law.
Tanita Mong was also displeased with the NUP for parading elderly people and Teso war claimants in a bid for compensation.
From Teso came to our office. I don't know if you wanted us to chase them away. But they came and raised their concerns and said, please advocate for us as Teso war claimants for us to be paid. We received them.
This madness of parading our old parents, huh? Order to who? Cannot start parading all the people in the name of compensation. You bring all the people all the way from Teso. That can never happen, and it should never happen. And we are looking for the people who are doing that.
Meanwhile, the Speaker of Parliament directed the Minister for Education to issue a statement regarding the tragic death of a young schoolgirl who was killed and dumped in a school toilet in Teso.
There is vivid evidence about this slaughter.
It was even the children of the director who, when police asked them some few questions, they were able to submit in more evidence that implicated even the wife of the director.
So, education inspectors, I do not know what is the minimum standard of starting a school in Uganda.
Has gone out and they're trying to do their best to see to it that all the minimum basic requirements are adhered.
You're a owner of a school, you know such a thing can happen to your school one time. So the earlier we stop it, the earlier we stop that, the better. What action have you taken on that school?
I'm Nafka Farid and Gloria Gwitabinji at Parliament.